Hi there, students. To pull off. Well, first of all, you can use this as a normal verb. He pulled off his clothes. He pulled off the wrapping paper, literally to remove by pulling. Yeah, he pulled off the label. So notice, he pulled it off, and this separable inseparable is very important for this phrasal verb to pull off. Okay, so to remove by pulling, he pulled it off. Yeah, he pulled his glasses off, he pulled them off. Now, as a phrasal verb, to pull something off, to achieve, to succeed in doing something that's really difficult. Yeah, it was a really tough challenge, but he managed to pull it off. He managed to do it. He managed to be successful. The bank robbers were successful. They pulled it off. Yes, we pulled it off. So to succeed against the odds, we were playing Manchester United in the semi-final and we beat them. We pulled it off. We were successful. We managed to do it. Yeah, we succeeded in doing something unexpected. We were successful. Now, a different meaning for pull off. You're driving in the car and you pull off the road. So when you get to motorway junction 36, pull off. Okay, pull off the road. Yeah, pull off it. Not pull it off, pull off it. So this meaning, this usage is inseparable. Yeah, I was tired and I pulled off into a lay-by. It's a bit by the side of the road. British English, a lay-by. So I pulled off into a lay-by. So to pull off the road, to stop driving, to move to the side of the road, or to take an exit from a road, to pull off a place. Okay, to pull off at junction 43. To exit a road, yeah, by pulling, either to pull into another street or to pull onto the hard shoulder. Pull off the motorway at exit 3. Yeah, we pulled off at a motorway service station to take a rest. Yeah, there's something wrong with the engine of the car. We ought to pull off. We ought to pull off the road. We ought to pull off it to stop driving. Okay, so he managed to pull it off. He was successful. He pulled off, very often just intransitive like that. He stopped driving. Yeah, don't pull off the price tag until you're sure it fits. Okay, so to remove by pulling, pull it off. To achieve something very difficult. He didn't think he was going to pass his CPE at the first test, but he pulled it off. He was successful. Yeah, he managed to do it. Yeah, and then to pull off a road. I pulled off the road. Okay, so I stopped. Yeah, I stopped. Okay, so formality. I managed to pull it off. I pulled off something very difficult. I think maybe for informality, use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, but I wouldn't use it any further than that. I pulled off the road. 4.5, even 5, 4.5 informality. Informally use semi-formal conversation and for a semi-formal writing. I pulled the head off the flower. 5 informality. It's not a phrasal verb and you can use that anywhere. I pulled off my clothes and jumped into the cool water. Okay, so yeah, it was wonderful. So I think the things to remember here: to pull off something, to succeed in doing something. Yeah, that's a lot of work you've taken off, and you have a very short time to do it. I hope you're able to pull it off. Yeah, and pull off the road at junction 36. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To pull off.